Hey, what's up guys? Thomas Feng with Bay Area Connect. This Monday's market report is going to be for Sunnyvale City for April of 2012. To get a copy of this market report, shoot me an email at thomas.feng@gmail.com. To see all these data overlaid with schools, new listings, and also sold listings, give me a call, 408-840-3852. I'm also on Facebook at facebook.com/Bay Area Connect. Like my page and you'll get all my new weekly market reports, new listing photos, and real estate news sent to your newsfeed automatically, so it's real easy. All right, let's jump into April's market stats for Sunnyvale, California. The median list price of all current listings is at $681,500, up 14%. April's median sales price was at $660,000, up 22%. Properties currently for sale, the inventory is at 54, down 9%. April's number of properties sold is at 73, up 6%. And April's average days on market for sold properties is at 52 days, up 33%. In Sunnyvale, we're seeing a great change in the average list price and also the average sales price as well. We're seeing big jumps in these numbers, and we expect these to keep rising in the year 2012. Again, for inventory and sold properties, we're fairly constant with that. We're seeing still low inventory in the Silicon Valley. Next up, we're going to be looking at property sales. April property sales were at 73, down 7% from 79 in April of 2011, and 6% higher than the 69 sales last month. April 2012 sales were at a mid-level compared to April of 2011 and 2010. So from this property sales graph, we're getting a little good news. We're seeing that in 2012, property sales are still rising as they should be in the first quarter of the sales year. So with that, it's very good news. We're on track for a really good year sales-wise in Sunnyvale. Next up, we're going to be taking a look at pricing. The median sales price in April was at $660, down 11% from $743 in April 2011, and up 22% from $540 last month. The average sales price in April was at $690, $596, down 5% from $729, $579 in April of 2011, and up 16% from $594, $561 last month. When looking at this pricing graph, let's take a look at the red line, the 3-month rolling average, and from that we're seeing that since about January time, it's come down a little, which is normal with the rolling average because the average takes the month before that as well. So in December, it's a little low. But from that, we're seeing continual growth in the price, and it doesn't look to stop anytime soon with all the multiple bids going on. Next up is inventory. The total inventory of properties available for sale as of April was at 54, down 8% from 59 last month, and down 75% from 222 in April of last year. April 2012 inventory was at the lowest level compared to April of 2011 and 2010. So if we look at inventory, we're seeing the same trend that we are seeing in all across Silicon Valley. It's extremely low inventory, and it looks the same again for April. The inventory has dropped steadily throughout the past year, and hopefully it will start picking up in about 3 to 4 months' time. Next up is market time. The days on market for April was at 52, up 33% from 39 days last month, and up 18% from 44 days in April of last year. The April 2012 days on market was at its highest level compared with April of 2011 and 2010. So right now, days on market is at about 52 days, which means homes are getting sold in about 2 weeks' time with a 30-day close range. And with that, days on market, it's at about 2 months' time right now in Sunnyvale. Selling price per square foot. In April of 2012, the selling price per square foot was at $460, up 7% from $430 last month, and up 4.1% from $442 in April of last year. All right, let's take a look at our maps to see how we're trending in Sunnyvale. For new listings, we had a total of 80 new listings in March. 13 of those were in the 600,000s, 9 in the 500s, and 20 below the 400,000s, for a total of 42 out of 80 below 700K. For sold listings, we saw a total of 79 homes sold, 11 in the 600,000s, 10 in the 500,000s, and 23 below the 400,000s, with a total of 44 out of 79 homes sold below 700K. For a year-to-date sale, we have sold a total of 22 homes in Sunnyvale, and 3 were sold last month. To do an analysis of our new listings right now, we're seeing in the Sunnyvale area versus 2 months ago a lot less homes in the $500,000 and $400,000 price range. In the central Sunnyvale area, we're seeing most homes right now minimum 600K and above. If you're looking for the lower price listing townhome condos and single family homes, we're going to be seeing that a lot closer to 101 in the Sunnyvale area near the Tasman and Fair Oaks area. Again, the real estate market is totally changing, and for a lot of buyers and sellers right now, the most important thing is really to understand the market and to change your what you're expecting and what you're seeing according to that. To talk a little more about your situation right now and the current market, give me a call, 408-840-3852. Thanks again for watching, and have a great week.